welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be playing with my slime, with my with my yellow and green slime. This one has bubbles and this one has no bubbles. Don't you see any bubbles? There's only a few bubbles, see? So which one do you want to open first? Okay guys, let us start with the yellow one. Yeah, it's funny. Oh yeah, kind of. So Tsum slime. There's another Tsum slime too. I got it from Shopee. Guys, you can download Shopee in your app because you can order anything there. So I ordered this slime. It was so cheap. I don't know how much was it. How much was that? Ugh. Can it? This is kind of sticky. I see you. So guys, this is the slime. I can see you. Can't you see me from this clear? Wow. Wow, that was, it smells bad. It smells like rotten fish. But still, this is a good slime. Wow. Oh, I hate smelling that. You got slimed. Or not. You got slime, miss. It has glitter on it, guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ticky. So, while I play with it, it's so clear. Is this clear yellow slime? With glitters, of course. Okay. This is so awesome. Oh. Wow, that was loud. Hey, my slime. Okay. So, yeah, kind of. Huh? What was that? There's a surprise. There's a surprise. Can you see it? It's over there. You see it, right? Let's see what is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my cuzzy bears. Oh no, I put it back in. It's a gem. A gem, guys. It's a gem. Let's keep it over there. So that was kind of awesome. Guys. Wow, this is the clear one. I like this one. It broke. Kind of broke. Wow. 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 So awesome. Guys, I especially love this slime from now. I love it. It's not clear anymore. See, guys? Not clear. When you play with it for a long time, that's what happens. Sometimes. Too much long. Whoa. Come on. So this is what happens. I don't want to turn it to... So, bye guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. See you. Bye.